Namaste. Let's begin our practice for today with shoulder rolls. Lift your shoulders up, back, down, and around, refining this movement by relaxing the muscles at the base of your neck. Continue sitting tall as you switch directions. Lift up, forward, down, and around. Moving into shoulder shrugs, lift your shoulders up towards your ears and release, relaxing. Inhale, lift. Exhale to lower. Continue with this movement, noticing how your exhalations begin to ease away any tension. Release, returning to center, adding neck rotations. Gently turn your head to look out over your right shoulder and left. Continue slowly rotating right and left, allowing this movement to originate from the point between your shoulder blades, keeping your spine and neck long. Release, returning to center. Moving into a seated cat-cow stretch with your hands to your thighs. Inhale, lift through your heart. Exhale, round your spine, drawing your chin towards your chest. Continue wrapping this movement around your breath. With each inhale, lift through your heart, tilting your pelvis forward lightly, drawing your shoulder blades down your back, creating a mild back bend. And with each exhale, round your spine, coiling your navel back, lengthening your tailbone under slightly, drawing your chin towards your chest, stretching across your upper back. Stay connected to your breath as you release and return to center. Closing our practice for today, placing your hands in prayer position, allowing a moment to honor yourself. Namaste.
Now that was good.